Imagine this. The covers are pulled off in Milan, and standing before us is a car that carries one of the most legendary names in Ferrari's history, Testarossa. But this isn't just a rehash of nostalgia. The all-new Ferrari 849 Testarossa has been unveiled, replacing the SF90 Stradale and pushing Maranello's limits to unprecedented heights. With a total of 1,050 CV coming from a completely re-engineered twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors, Ferrari has crafted what might be the ultimate plug-in hybrid berlinetta. Today, let's dive deep into this machine, examining its design, performance, technology, and everything in between. Does it truly earn the right to bring back the Testarossa name? From the outside, the 849 Testarossa doesn't play it safe. Its styling is sharp, geometric, and heavily inspired by Ferrari's 1970s sports prototypes. The front end introduces a horizontal fascia that bridges the headlights, creating an impression of width and aggression, reminiscent of Ferrari's racing past but executed with a futuristic twist. The grille is wide and functional, feeding enormous intercoolers that are 30% more efficient than before. Below, a large splitter integrates flicks that not only look dramatic, but also generate 10% of the car's total front downforce. The headlights are slim, almost blade-like, and connect seamlessly into the bodywork, while the taillights showcase the twin-tail architecture derived from the iconic 512S. This rear design, combined with an active spoiler, doesn't just look sensational. It generates an extra 100 kilograms of downforce when engaged. Even the forged alloy wheels wrapped in two 65/35 XR20S up front and 325/30 R20S at the rear aren't simply decorative. They feature diamond-cut aerodynamic profiles that help cool the brakes and channel air efficiently. Dimensionally, the car measures 4,718 millimeters long, 1,999 millimeters wide, and just 1,225 millimeters tall. With the ground clearance kept extremely low, it is every bit the purposeful Ferrari, though daily usability suffers. Bumps and steep driveways will demand the optional front lift system. Step inside and the cockpit feels like a cross between a fighter jet and a minimalist sculpture. Ferrari has retained the horizontal dashboard layout, but it's now more refined, with a floating upper section and beautifully sculpted C-shaped air vents in aluminium. The steering wheel is packed with functions, but Ferrari has wisely returned to mechanical buttons for crucial operations, like the iconic red engine start switch. Behind it, a fully digital cluster dominates, configurable to reflect the 4 hybrid driving modes: eDrive, Hybrid, Performance, and Qualify. The central tunnel carries the F80-inspired geargate design, and controls are spread rationally, reducing clutter. Passengers aren't ignored either. A dedicated display sits in front of the co-pilot, giving access to navigation, speed, and infotainment data. Ergonomically, Ferrari has improved entry and exit by slimming the lower sections of the door panels. As for the seats, buyers can choose between sculpted comfort seats or carbon fiber racing shells. Both offer superb lateral support, but taller drivers might find cabin space tight compared to a McLaren Artura. Still, the craftsmanship is impeccable, with new Alcantara trims like Giallo Sienna complementing bold exterior hues such as Rosso Fiammante and Giallo Ambra. Technology-wise, the 849 Testarossa integrates Ferrari's latest innovations, some derived straight from Formula One. The 5 Estimator, a real-time digital twin of the car, constantly calculates speed, yaw, and grip, making electronic aids like traction control and torque vectoring more precise. ABS Evo brings racing-level braking consistency to the road, while the suspension setup, complete with lighter springs and optimized damping, ensures sharper cornering without punishing ride comfort. Infotainment and connectivity are modern, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and the My Ferrari Connect app, though the system can feel overly complex compared to Porsche's more intuitive interface. Safety-wise, Ferrari has stepped up. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, and a full suite of ADAS features are available. While purists might dismiss these as unnecessary, they make the Testarossa more approachable for long-distance drives. Now let's talk practicality. Yes, even in a Ferrari supercar. The trunk offers just 74 liters of cargo space, barely enough for a soft weekend bag. The battery, cleverly placed low in the chassis, helps center gravity but eats into usable space. For many buyers, this won't matter, but compared to something like the McLaren Artura, which offers more storage flexibility, it's a weak point. Of course, the true heart of the 849 Testarossa is its performance. The re-engineered 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 produces 830 CV and 842 Newton-meters of torque, revving all the way to 8,300 revolutions per minute. Combined with 3 electric motors adding 220 CV, the total output hits an earth-shattering 1,050 CV. That's enough to rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2.3 seconds, 0 to 200 in just 6.35 seconds, and onto a top speed exceeding 330 kilometers per hour. The 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox has been recalibrated for faster shifts, producing a spine-tingling exhaust note on upshifts, thanks to engine management borrowed from the SF90 Stradale. On paper, it demolishes almost everything, including the Lamborghini Revuelto, though it trails slightly in electric-only range. Speaking of which, in e-drive mode, the car can cover up to 25 kilometers on battery power alone, courtesy of its 7.45 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion pack. Fuel efficiency isn't yet homologated, but don't expect miracles. The Testarossa prioritizes performance, and in performance or qualify mode, it gulps fuel like a proper Ferrari should. Towing capacity? None, it's not that kind of hybrid. Braking is equally impressive. Larger discs, optimized calipers, and improved ventilation mean it can stop from 200 to 0 kilometers per hour in just 108 meters. Suspension revisions deliver 3% more lateral grip than the SF90 Stradale, while weight remains at 1,570 kilograms, despite all the added tech. That means a class-leading 1.5 kilograms per cubic meter power-to-weight ratio. Still, there are drawbacks. Managing all that performance requires trust in the electronics. Inexperienced drivers may find the car intimidating, even though Ferrari has worked hard to make it accessible. Pricing hasn't been officially disclosed yet, but expect the 849 Testarossa to start north of $600,000, easily stretching beyond $700,000 with options and the Assetto Fiorano package. That package saves 30 kilograms, adds hardcore suspension, carbon wheels, and even more downforce, but sacrifices daily usability. So, is the Ferrari 849 Testarossa worthy of its iconic name? In many ways, yes. It blends Ferrari's racing DNA with futuristic hybrid technology, delivering unmatched performance, razor-sharp design, and an interior that balances function with flair. On the flip side, practicality is nearly non-existent. Complexity may overwhelm some, and the price puts it in a rarefied world. But for those lucky enough to own one, it isn't just a car, it's a statement. A bridge between Ferrari's glorious past and its electrified future. Now, I'd love to hear what you think. Does this car live up to the Testarossa legacy, or does it push too far into the modern age? Comment your thoughts below, share this with fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars.